Hello everyone, and this is the first lecture of Node.js macOS tutorial playlist. And we can go ahead and check this link, and I will include this link in the references. What you have to do is go ahead and download this. I'm going to download this recommended one for most users for macOS, and it is about 20 megabytes. That's enough. Okay, as a quick note, you can say what is Node.js here. I'm going to read that. Node.js is a platform built on Chrome's JavaScript runtime for easily building fast and scalable network applications. Alright, I'm going to open the .pkg file and it will extract, and we can go ahead and continue. For installation, we have to agree for everything and select the destination of the installation, and we can change the location of that also. I'm going to just go ahead and put install button, and we have to type our password, and we can continue by giving our password. Okay, Node.js has been installed, and it says some path here, and that is user slash local slash bin. Alright, what I'm going to go ahead and do, I'm going to remove this to trash. Okay, then we can remove the file. Alright, what we have to do next? Just to open the terminal, and make sure you are opening the terminal as a new tab. If you are running a program here, then you are not able to write a command there, then you can go ahead and double click the terminal and click the new window. Okay, and you can go ahead and close the terminal and launch again. Right, to create a Node.js file, what I'm going to go ahead and do, first let me zoom this out. Okay, now we can say echo to print something, and we can use double quotations, and inside that I'm going to type console.log, and I'm going to pass in parentheses. I'm going to do some calculation here, 1 plus 1, and okay, we can put the semicolon end of the bracket, the parenthesis, not bracket, and then we have to go ahead with this ending angle bracket, and we have to put a file name for our Node.js file. I'm going to go ahead and put test.js, and we have to shift and enter for run. Now we can check our directory for our file, and this is the file test.js. Okay, how we can run this test.js file? For that, we can go ahead and put node and put the file name. I'm going to go ahead and type node test.js, right? And as a quick note, let me go ahead and show you how to delete this file using the terminal. We can go ahead and type rm dash, that means rm space dash, and we can type rf here, and we have to type our file name, that is test.js. Okay, now we can see our file here, and as another quick note, and let me go ahead and show you how to create a node.js file inside another directory. Now we are in the current directory. To change our directory, we can go ahead and type cd, and we have to specify some directory name. Let me go ahead and type documents, cd documents, and let me create a new folder. For create a new folder, we can type mkdir, we can type js. To add a space for that file name, we can put / and space and start to write the second word, that is, I'm going to say js codes, like that. Now we can create a node.js file inside there. Then I'm going to go ahead and type some JavaScript code to that file. I'm going to go ahead and type echo and double quotations. Inside that, I'm going to pass in console.log, and I'm going to do some mathematical calculation inside parentheses. I'm going to go ahead and this 1 power of 2, that is some kind of bad calculation, and I'm going to end up with the semicolon there, and we have to put ending angle bracket and type the file name that we want as the JavaScript file. I'm going to go ahead and type my underscore cal.js. Okay, now we can shift and enter for run. Right, to run this we can go ahead and type node and type your file name, that is my underscore cal.js, right? And let me go ahead and show you the file using ls keyword, and it is very difficult to find. I'm going to just open the directory using open space dot, and here we have my underscore cal.js file. Okay, then I'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you.